are you hungry? Say yeah!
You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little.
Run down my arm, Squishy. Squishy Marie. Hey. Hey. Run down my arm now. Squishy! Get over here now.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
I've lost my hat. Johnny! What are you doing, boss? Hey? Looking good. Hey?
So I eat a banana every morning, which means I have to go to the grocery store a lot just for bananas. And sometimes people ask me, why do you get bananas the second you run out? Like, can't you just wait to get them on your next shopping trip? But what they don't know is that I have a kid that would literally throw a tantrum if his midday snack isn't banana.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
Bark. Good boy!
Milo, come here, please. I have a question, something to talk to you about. So, I found something. Hey, look at me, I'm talking to you. Thank you. Did you destroy our last roll of toilet paper?
I gave my bunny Jerry an orange slice for his birthday and...
Jerry, you're making a mess on the floor.
Sausage. Jerry.
Jerry.
I bet he'll lick it up.
Was that sour?
Jerry is dry.
Is he choking? Oh my
No,
god.
he's okay.
What is he doing?
He probably won't still be chewing these.
What the heck was that?
He's gonna look it up. But you better look it up. Jerry, look it up! That's amazing.
Happy birthday! Caption it. Food goes here.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He.
Post a video that made you go viral.
That's just a stupid boulder!
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock. Dinky. Hey, Dinky. Dinky, that's not gonna fit.